What's up, YouTube? We back in this thing with another video today, and today we about to go mess with the truck, man. I ain't messed with the truck in a minute, and I miss working on the truck. I needed some time. Like I only get I work Monday through Saturday, and then I work every other Sunday. Sometimes just on Sunday I don't be wanting to do nothing. I just be wanting to take the day off and just chill and relax. And then on I'm off on Thursdays, every Thursday, but I have a lot of stuff to do on Thursday since that be basically my only day. And I be trying to get other stuff done. So with that said, today I'm about to go over here to the storage and try to get some stuff taken care of that I need to get taken care of with the truck. And yeah, that's about it. So before we get deep in the video, I need y'all to like, share, subscribe, hit the comment button, comment on the videos for me, get in the comment section, and hit that notification bell and turn it on all. I got a lot of stuff already for the truck. I just gotta get it put on the truck. So, and that's what I'm about to do, start doing. Uh, no, I ain't been moving real fast, but like I said, slow motion is better than no motion. And I'm just moving at my pace, taking my time. I'm not in no hurry. Do I want to get it done and ride? Yes. But like I said, I'm taking my time and doing it at my pace, trying to get business taken care of. And that's what we're gonna do. So I'm finna get in this building, and then I'll cut y'all back on in a minute. All right, YouTube, we done made it up here, and let me show y'all what we got going here. Cause basically, I just got to get it out, put it in the other truck. So for now, so I can take the bed off. So this is basically my old school, and I just got to get all of this stuff out of here. I've already taken some stuff out and put it in my other truck, my box truck. So I'm about to take this stuff that I'm throwing away and take it out so I can throw it away. And then I'm gonna take the bed of the truck off and I'm putting it in the back of my box truck so I can work on the frame of this truck. And I'm gonna work on the frame of this truck, and then I'm gonna do the underbottom of this bed too. Might do the inside too, because this shit is rusted out pretty good. So I might do the inside of that too. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm finna go ahead and get going on getting this cleaned up out of here, and then I'll cut y'all back on in a minute. Alright, so I got it pretty much cleaned out. Drive shaft on my side, I'm gonna hang on to this for a while just to see if I can use it. I'm gonna hang on to it. I might end up getting a new one. I'm not sure yet. These are my bumper brackets. Definitely not getting rid of those. I'm gonna get those cleaned up. Probably powder coated or painted, one of the two. I got my cross member getting powder coated right now, so I'm gonna see how that turns out, and then I might get the bumper brackets and stuff powder coated. I just got everything on the truck right here. Intake, I'm just gonna hang on to it. I'm not gonna use it, but I'm gonna hang on to it for now. I am gonna get a low profile intake and put on it. So basically I got that cleaned out. I'm gonna hang on to this bumper also right here. Probably gonna sell it, see if I can get it sold to somebody. Still in pretty good shape. Got a couple of little dents in it, but I should be able to get it sold. Definitely hanging on to my jack stands. I just got this trash bag. I'm about to get a broom and a dustpan, get all this stuff out of here. But right now I'm about to take the bolts out. 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and the same thing on the other side. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So I'm about to take it out now, and That way I can take the bed off and go get my help. So I'm gonna unloosen everything to take the bed off, and then I'll cut y'all back on in a second. Alright, so this is one bolt I gotta take off. This is the other one. It's just one side on the front. And damn it. Alright. Damn, why that one long? Okay, and then on this side, I'll take that one, and then I got another one up here in this hole. And at the back, I'll show y'all the ones at the back right now. So I can take this with my gun. And it looks like I might have to get my ratchet for the other one. So I'm about to see right now. So let me get my tools, and I'm try to get this shit popping loose. Alright, so I got the ones off in the front. I'm laying under the truck, y'all. So I got the ones up in the front off. So what I gotta do now is take the ones in the back right here out. So I'm finna show y'all those real quick. It's 4 up in the front, 4 in the back. So let me show y'all right quick. Alright, so I gotta take this one and that one. 19s. Same thing on this side. That one right there, and then the other one is right there. So I'm about to get I got my gun, 19 extension. So on this side, I'm gonna have to get a ratchet because I can't put my socket through here or my extension like I could on the other side. So I'm gonna get my ratchet and just ratchet them off like that. Get my 19, my other 19, and do it like that. So let me get those two, and I'll get back with y'all in a minute. Alright, so I got all the bolts out. I got the nuts right there. The other one's up there on the ground. Got my wire cut from here. So got this here. So I'm about to get this off of here. So we can get moving on this thing. Slow motion better than no motion, baby. So we getting there. We got some shit done. So we can get this bed off of here, and I'll cut y'all back out. Alright guys, we're back. I'm gonna move some of that stuff out your way, Tyree. We're about to get this bed put in this other truck so we can get it out the way. Alright. So got my old gas tank up in here. I'm gonna clean that out and sell it. It's my fenders, both of them, my hood right here, fenders right here. So I'm about to alright, TJ, we're gonna have to move the gas tank back this way some. But we ain't gonna put the truck the bed all the way in the back of the truck. Just gonna get it nice and just try to get it up in there. You can let it lay it down. Or you can, just turn it this way. Bring that in around like that. we're gonna try to get that drive shaft. I'm gonna put it right there. I'm gonna crank this up right there too. I'm gonna get the crank. Just sit it right there. I'll sit it right there, Chief. Just like that. Get that intake to a black thing. We're gonna set it over there. Hit the black thing. And you're gonna set it over here, like right this hole right here. Right there. See right there? Set it over there. Set it down. That's good. Not good. You got some paper towel. Yeah, you can put them in there. All right, you two. Let me finish getting this truck cleaned, the bed cleaned out, and then we're gonna move it and put it in the other truck. And I'll cut y'all back on. All right, man. We got this thing off, you two. Bed off. Yeah. Leave it in there for now until we can clean the bottom, paint it up.
What's up with it? Yeah, I got you, bro. I got you.
You be helping me, though. You can't help me.
Father.
We gonna put this shit down. Get this shit cut so we can see lots of shit over there for that. Brake lines, we got new brake lines gonna put on here. Clean this up, paint this frame. I'm going from that one. That's gonna be it. Alright, man, tell the light off. Get up out of here, Charlie. Alright, man, I'll get y'all on the next video, man. I'm out. Peace. Alright, YouTube, man, we loaded the bed up to the truck bed up in the back of the box truck, and now we leaving that, and so now we can get some work done on the truck that I need to get done in the back part of it without the bed being on it. So we'll get that done, and that'll be that on that. So that's what we about to start doing. I don't think I got nothing going on tomorrow. So tomorrow I'm gonna probably go up there and get a little work done. Try to start getting it painted up and stuff, the frame, and then get the frame painted up and get ready to do the C-notch on it. I gotta see what I'm gonna do about the axle flip. I know I gotta do that, but I'm probably buy new springs to do that with, and drop shackles. So I gotta get that done. I'm gonna go ahead and put the new brakes on there. My new brake lines, I got those. I'm gonna put those on there. Figure out what I need to figure out what I'm gonna do with the rear end. If I'm gonna go ahead and get a new rear end all together, or if I'm just gonna get new gears put in mine, new gears and new axles. Not sure yet, but I'm gonna do something to that nature. So we'll keep y'all posted on what we're gonna do there. And so now I'm about to go let TJ try to drive a little bit and clean my bike up. And I'm probably about to get out and catch some of this wind, man. Get some wind therapy going on. So like I said, YouTube, I'll get at y'all in the next video. Y'all like, share, subscribe. Tap in with me in them comments. And I'll holler at y'all in the next one. Peace.